This is the video showing how to do installation for the DK-2871 and DK-2872. The material we need is a 12-volt power supply, an electrical log, an egress button, and the DK-2872 Access Control Keypad. DK-2872 is a free output keypad with full features. You can see here, the door lock is the output 1, and here is the output 2. Here is the output 3, and you can see the door sensing terminal is here. So now we can make the connection. For the 12-volt power supply, we have a wire here. The red one is for the 12 plus, and the black one is for the 12 minus. So, connect the keypad for the 12-volt DC plus and minus here. Black for the minus, and the red one for the 12 plus. And then these two wires are for the egress button. The white one for the EG in, and the orange one for the 12 minus. There is no direction for the egress button. So, on the other side, you can connect any direction you want. Okay, so the egress button is done. For the electrical lock, there are two wires directly from the electrical lock. You just need to make connection to the keypad, door lock plus and minus here. So, door lock minus for the lock minus, door lock plus for the lock plus. So, the whole connection is done. You can see here, for the output 1, door lock plus minus for the door lock, EG in for the egress button, and the 12-volt plus and minus for the power supply. Now, you can plug the power supply out of it. The keypad will have beep sound. At this moment, press 1 to palm, and then you can test the keypad connection is correct or not by pressing the egress button. If it is correct, you can do unlock for the electrical lock.